Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time to visit this channel, welcome, feel at home, and please make sure that you subscribe. If you have been wondering how to start making money on Facebook, you are in the right place. In today's video, I will walk you through a step-by-step guide to monetize your Facebook account, even if you are just getting started. Step 1 is you must meet Facebook's monetization eligibility requirements. Go to www.facebook.com/creators/tools/monetization. Choose your Facebook page. You must have at least 10,000 followers. All Reels pre-bonus requirement depending with your country. You must have 600,000 total minutes watched in the last 60 days. Then you must have 5 or more active video uploads. From there, you follow the Facebook's monetization policies. Let me touch a bit on these policies. Policy number 1 is follow Facebook's community standards. No hate speech, no violence, no harassment. No nudity or sexual content, no false information or harmful misinformation, no dangerous individuals or organizations, and no copyright infringement. Be in a supported country, have a page, not just a profile, and use original content that you have right to, content that you have created yourself. Then note that your page is categorized correctly, public page and not a profile. Okay, I'll do a separate video on how to turn a profile Facebook account into a page. Step 2 is that you should create high quality engaging content. Focus on videos over 1 minute, use Reels, post consistently and engage with your audience. Step 3 is now turning on the monetization tools. You go to Meta Creator Studio, click on Monetization tab, choose the tools you are eligible for. That is in-stream ads, Reels bonus, stars, and subscriptions. Step 4 is linking your payment information. Set up payouts in Creator Studio, add your bank account or PayPal, fill out tax information, which is very important for payment processing. So guys, from there, you can now start tracking your content performance in Creator Studio, then Insights. Concentrate on what is working for you and also optimize your thumbnails, titles, and post timing. So guys, that is how you monetize your Facebook account. If this video has helped you in any way, please give it a like, comment below, and please do not forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more social media tips and monetization strategies. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.